And Spencer is going to climb this multi-step overpass of the Pacific Coast Highway in Santa Monica about 15 months after his surgery. Come on, Spence, let's go, buddy. Come on, Spence. Come on, Spence. Let's go. Come on, Spence, let's go. Come on. Come on, Spence. As you can see, Spencer is completely unhesitant to cross over a large complex of stairs, and he did so in about 1 minute, maybe a little less. Come on, let's go, buddy. Spencer, come on. Now Spencer's going to go back up over the overpass of the PCH. Come on, Spence, let's go, buddy. Come on. Spencer, wait. Come on, Spence, let's go. Come on, Spence. And of course we got back in about a minute, maybe a little less, maybe 45 seconds, and Spencer was actually pulling me down the stairwell, down the staircase. So you can see he's doing really well about 15 months after both surgeries. Spence, come on, buddy. Spence. Come on, Spence. There's Spencer's orange ball. And go get it, Spence. Come on, Spence. Let's go. Spencer. Come on, Spence. Come on, Spence. Come on, Spence. There you go. Come on, buddy. Shayna, come here. Come on, Spence. Let's go, buddy. Go get the ball. Go into the car. Into the car. Up.